How to send money with Remitly. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to send money with Remitly. For this video, I'm going to use the remitly.com website, but you can even follow the same steps in the Remitly's official application. So first of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and here in the search bar, you will have to search for remitly.com. Once you do this, you will be on the official website of Remitly, where if you already have an account on Remitly, then you need to click on the login button, provide your email address and password and log in into your account. If you don't have an account, then you first have to click on the sign up button, then provide the email address which you want to use in Remitly, then create a strong password for your account, confirm password and then click on the sign up button. Now once you successfully signed up into your Remitly account, the interface of this website will look something like this. Over here you will be able to see the exchange rate. So here you can select your sending country. So as I reside in India, it is showing me India. But if you want to change the country, then you need to click on this top arrow button. And from this list, you can select any of the countries that you want. Let's say I have selected Albania. So after selecting it, it will take some time to reload or refresh the page, and then it will show you the exchange rate regarding the country that you have selected. So as you can see that I have currently selected Albania. That's why it is showing me the exchange rate of Albania. But for this video, I'm going to keep it as India because it will be very easy for me to demonstrate the steps. So after selecting my own country, now is the time to send money using Remitly. So in order to send the money, you just have to select your country and then click on the send money option. Now after selecting the send money option, you will be landed on this send money tab in the top, where you need to provide some of the details. Like, first of all, you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer money to. So you just have to enter the amount in this section. Then it will show you how much money the recipient is going to get. Then you will be able to see the delivery options. For my country, the express and the economy options are available, but for your country, it might be different. So you just have to select any of the options as per your country. For this video, I'm going to keep it as express. Then you need to press continue in the bottom. On the next page, it will ask you to choose the delivery method. So the delivery method is based on my own country, but again, it might be different from your country to country. So you need to select any of the options that you are convenient with. For this video, I'm going to select the third option that says cash pickup and select any of the providers. Then it will ask you to provide the recipient's name. So here in this section, you need to provide your recipient's first name and then last name. Then you need to press continue in the bottom. After that, you need to select the recipient's city and then you just have to select their country. Then you need to press continue in the bottom. Afterwards, you can provide your recipient's phone number if you want to, but for this video, I'm going to skip it. Then it will ask you the reason of your sending money. So in order to select the reason, simply click on this top arrow button, then select the reason that you are using in order to send the money. After that, you need to press continue in the bottom. Then you will be able to see two payment methods. The first is of card and the second one is of bank account. So if you want to add card, then you need to click on add a new card option. Then provide your card details like your card number, its expiration date, security code, your name. Then check your billing address and press next in the bottom. You need to remember that if you select the debit card, then there is no extra fees that you pay. But if you have selected the credit card, then you need to pay 3% extra fee. If you want to use your bank account, then you need to click on the option that says pay with bank account instead and press OK. Then you need to select the add bank account option. Then select your bank account type, whether it is checking or savings. Afterwards, you need to provide the routing number, account number, your name that appear in your account. Then you need to select your billing address. If you want to change this billing address, then you just have to untick it and provide the new billing address that you want to select. After filling these details, you need to press continue in the bottom. Now on the final step, you just have to conclude your payment with the help of the payment method that you have selected in the previous step. This way you will be able to easily send money via Remitly. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.